Here we have a triangle. We're asked to find the value of side x. That's the length of x. So this here tells us that this is 90 degrees. So it's a right angle triangle. And we know two sides. So a right angle triangle, if we know two sides, we're looking for the third side, we always use Pythagoras. Is that definitely the way to go? Pythagoras theorem. And if you look at page 16 in the log tables, you'll see it there. Marking A there as the long side opposite the right angle, and B and C as other two sides. Pythagoras tells us that A squared equals B squared plus C squared. These are the lengths of the sides. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we're just going to use that rule here on our triangle. And this particular triangle, 17 squared equals 15 squared plus this other side length, which we don't know, squared, and we call that x. So now we'll just subtract 15 from both sides, 15 squared from both sides, and now we've x squared equals this stuff here. And now we'll get the square root of both sides. So we can just go 17 squared minus 15 squared, square root of that, equals the square root of the other side. We're doing the same thing to both sides. Now you see this square root and the square, they cancel each other out. So we're left with x equals that there, the square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared underneath the square root, press equals, and we get 8. X equals 8, and there's no meters, centimeters there, so we'll just say that x equals 8 units. And that's it done.